we got his
I had to get him back from earlier.
We got his ass.
You were wrong. He was zoomed
No, he
in.
did me like that.
Hey, we got Gigi just came from TikTok and Justin.
I'm gonna roll.
Justin Williamson.
Y'all need
I
to
appreciate
hit that
y'all.
cash out.
Yeah.
All that, man.
Yeah, man, my boy over here, he want to
Boy.
see me winning. He want y'all to send
Prosperity,
me.
man.
Because if I get some, I might give him some,
He out
y'all.
here spending his money every day to come to every event. So
Yeah.
it costs to do this, man. Every time he comes, he got to pay to get back here 25. Look, I'm back here with the fake wristband, y'all.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
broke.
that's how you do
I
it.
can't even support the shit to get the real wristband, but I'm still here, man.
Still here, y'all.
You
Snuck
feel me?
through the
That's
back.
dedication, man, with the fake wristband, trying to make it happen.
We in the racetrack behind the fence. Okay.
Behind the Venus stove.
Somebody else just came from TikTok. I ain't get to shout them out. Holla Boys Garage just came from TikTok. What y'all be working on?
Hey, you seen old boy from Fort Worth on the LS Fest burnout thing? The Jesse's performance dude?
Okay, we got Esco from TikTok. Who else is that? Esco and Johnny. Johnny's Adventures. What's up with it, Johnny?
The white boy that built that badass Trans Am, no, Jesse. He got the shop in Fort Worth, right next to G Custom shop. Jesse's Performance. He next door to G Customs, right next door. He do all the turbos and shit for G Customs. Niggas don't be doing. Jesse Cole.
Yeah, Plaza Loud. We got Mildred just came in here. Mildred, where you from? My grandma homegirl name was Mildred. I ain't seen no Mildred in a minute. Is this you? You my grandma friend? Oh, they ain't talking to me. Hey, Mark from TikTok. What's up, Mark? Oh, right lane for the win. Right lane for the win, y'all. Yeah, I met my grandma, homegirl named Mildred. Demetrius Duffy just came from TikTok. What's up with it, Demetrius? Where you from? We got Demetrius just came over. Edward said he want him some diamond. Edward on here. He talking about, oh, diamond. They looking for Simba too, y'all.
What the fuck? I don't even have my goddamn lashes on today.
Yeah, she ain't got
look
them
like
lashes
Snoop
on.
Dogg.
She look like Snoop Dogg, little niece.
Oh God, she finna whip that beef.
Oh, I know her. You see that big ass lookout stick on the front? She gotta look at that thing every day. That look like my shit. Look, Pip on said, hey, Diamond.
Hey.
Drive this motherfucker there, girl.
I hope she not
Let me
doing
see.
burnout.
Oh, I
I'm
hope
gonna
she
have to
do
teach
too.
her. I'm gonna have to teach
She only
her
speaks
too.
Spanish. She don't speak no English. Hey, see, Kima. Oh, yeah, she know how to do it. Hey, see, Kima. Come on with it.
How you say it? Sikema?
Sikema.
Sikema.
Sikema, come. Sikema.
niña.
Sikema, niña.
Sikema, niña.
Oh, just stay right there. Tell her just stay right there. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, don't scare her because she don't know nothing. Leave her right there. Leave her right there. Who was that just came from TikTok? Jaquan. I be having people, I be trying to tell them my name. That's what they do. They be like, what did you say your name was, buddy? Jaquin. Oh, Jaquan. Nice. What the fuck? I ain't say no goddamn. Dude, nice name, man. Jaquan, man. Oh, yeah, nice to meet you, dude. Yeah. Then they be introducing me to them, their buddies and stuff. Hey, man, what's going on, Bobby? This is Jaquan with Lookout Racing. Have you ever seen it, dude? Oh, shit. Oh, man, he done hauled her ass out. Goose of the gas and everything. Yeah, Joseph, that's my white voice, man. I got a white boy voice. I got a white boy voice. I got an old black voice. I got a preacher voice. I got Funkertown voice. I got Joe voice. West Dallas Joe. I got who else I got voice? I got the old white lady voice. Uh-oh, we got luxurious in the building, y'all. She finna, Miss, you got your trash control off? Okay.
Look out. Look out.
Okay. Oh, where's she going? Miss, wait a minute. You gotta back it up, miss. You gotta go back. Go out some more. Keep going. Nuh-uh, back more. You gotta go back more, miss. Mo, you got you all the way. Keep going. Get off the brake. Off that brake. Come on with it. All right, now we ready. Now we getting ready. Yeah, now you can come back and driving easy. Oh, here we come. All right, now you ready, miss. You ready? She got her sport mode in. Ooh. Man, that little motherfucker. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Damn. Luxurious got some damn power in that motherfucker. I need to get... Somebody said she a sugar mama. Let me go find her in the back. Give me some sugar. Damn, she got that goddamn thing run. I'll give her, put some juice on that motherfucker. Somebody say cougar on the prowl. Somebody say. Yeah, somebody say he fucking around. Hey, you know Limpy. I think that's one of the funniest things that I said with the Punkertown voice. When I walked up to that lady and said, hey, you know Limpy. I think that's how he would say it if he was to be saying it. Limpy a bad motherfucker, man. Oh, he gon' wreck. How much to get the logo on the page? DW Moore, you gotta inbox me.